now that everything is ready, we have 2 cups brown sugar, 2 cups brown sugar, 1.5 cup of soy sauce, minced garlic, that's about a cup, that's 1 cup, and of course the peppercorns, 2 tablespoons. And mix it. This looks like gross, but honestly, it will really taste good. You have to mix it. You have to mix it.